Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance at the top, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, a card where you can spend your balance and peer-to-peer payments. One of the biggest fundamentals of this app is the cash balance. You can add money to your cash balance from your bank, and you can withdraw money from your cash balance and send that to your bank. So, this cash balance is the back and forth to your bank, and you can use this cash balance to do things within Cash App like add money to your savings, buy Bitcoin, buy stocks, etc. Note that I have $16 in my cash balance. It also shows there in the bottom left of the screen. Let's hop to the Bitcoin section. You can see I already own about $249 of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's current price is $66,872. We have some different chart views here if you want to look at 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, and see what's happening. You can also drag your finger along this line to get more information. So, what we're going to do is buy Bitcoin. I want to tap Buy, and this is going to spend my cash balance. I could do any of these pre-selected amounts or tap the 3 dots and type my amount. I want to do $15, tap Next. It's going to scan my face and give me some order details. You're going to notice that I have a small fee here. Basically, the larger the amount that you purchase, the lower your fee is going to get. But it's going to show me the estimated amount of Bitcoin and everything that I'll get. I'm going to tap Confirm, and just like that, I've purchased more Bitcoin. Tap Done. We can see in the bottom left that my cash balance is $1 now, so I spent $15 on Bitcoin, and my Bitcoin balance has increased. Here, using this button next to the buy and sell buttons, I could send my Bitcoin somewhere else if I want. If I want to send it to another user, I can do that. If I want to send it to another one of my wallets, I can do that. If I want to receive Bitcoin from someone else, I can just tap Receive, and it's going to give me an address or a QR code for them to scan. Now, if I want to sell Bitcoin, all I need to do is tap the Sell button. It's going to give me some pre-selected amounts, but I'm just going to sell $1 for this video example. Tap Next. It's going to scan my face and give me order details again. There is a 3% fee on this, but like I said, if you sell larger quantities, the fee is going to be much lower. Let's test that actually. I'll type in $100 and we'll see if it's still a 3% fee. You can see the fee dropped to 2.25%. Close that out, type $1 again, tap Next, and see, yeah, the higher amount you sell, the lower percentage your fee is going to be. Tap Confirm for this example. You've sold that much Bitcoin. Tap Done. I now have a little bit less Bitcoin, and once I sell, that money goes to my cash balance. You can see $2 in the bottom left. If we go back here, there's now $2 in my cash balance. So, buying takes from your cash balance, selling adds to your cash balance, and then you can transfer that to your bank if you wish to do so. That's how you can buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.